Welcome guys, thank you so much for joining in. So as you can see already, the price of Bitcoin did found a support at this 58,000 range that we were talking since days, and now we are above 61,000 price range. What does this actually mean for Bitcoin, and also what kind of scenario could be on the line in a immediate short term and in the upcoming days? I am going to show you each and every scenario in today's video, so please guys watch it till the end, and I would also really appreciate if you could just take 2 seconds of your time and smash the like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell. Now starting this analysis here in a daily time frame, yesterday we talked about this 20 exponential moving average along with this Williams alligator indicator being an extremely strong support around this 58,000 range. And as you can see here, if I would simply show you the price movement around this 20 exponential moving average, exactly when the price of Bitcoin came across this 20 exponential moving average, yesterday it was around 58,000, but right now it's around 59,000. We did found a support and this really nice bounce here to the upper duration. Not just only this 20 exponential moving average, if you simply add this Williams alligator indicator, you can see also the central line from this Williams alligator indicator acted as a strong line of support, because we know in an uptrend like this, the Williams alligator indicator, as you can see here, will always act as a strong line of support for Bitcoin. And not just only Williams alligator, but also the 20 exponential moving average along with this 50 exponential moving average. So what does this actually mean for Bitcoin? Is this trend now going to continue this rally here to the upper duration? If you still look at these indicators here to the downside, guys, MACD is still in a bearish MACD cross. We should still take this scenario into consideration. If you look at the RSI started jumping above 50 level. That's a very good sign, but T3CCI is still in a negative territory. So what we want here is price staying around this 60,000 range, and this MACD also to flash again a bullish crossover, because we know right now the MACD and the T3CCI are still showing some sign of weakness, even though right now we are seeing some surge in price action. And also guys, also not just only because of this moving averages or the Williams alligator indicator, yesterday we were saying we have a strong support around this 58,000 range, but also looking at this price action using this Fibonacci extension line, because we were aware according to the Fibonacci extension line, the 0.786, which was lying around 58,200 price range, was extremely strong support for Bitcoin. And I showed you exact scenario with this Fibonacci extension line, and you can see guys, exactly when we came across the 58,000, now we are seeing this really nice bounce here in price action of Bitcoin. So that's why guys, around this 58,000 we still have a strong support for Bitcoin, even if we would see any sort of a shakeout on our way in an immediate short term. One thing we have to keep into consideration guys, the CPI indicator yesterday was also pointing out that hey, if we do see any sort of a price retracement around this monthly R2 line, right, this here is monthly R1 line, this is monthly R2 line, and this is monthly R3 line. And if you look at this monthly R2 line, that was also sitting around 58,000 price range. We were very aware that around 58,000 we have extremely strong support for Bitcoin, and we could see really nice bounce after that. And as you can see, this exact scenario is also playing out for Bitcoin. So according to this monthly R1 line, monthly R2 line, and monthly R3 line, right now since we are trapped between this monthly R3 line and this monthly R2 line, in the immediate short term, if the price of Bitcoin does manages to stay above this 58,000, maybe we could again be testing this resistance line around this monthly R3 line that is lying around 64,000 price area. So for the immediate short term guys, as long as we are going to stay above this 58,000, the price of Bitcoin looks absolutely fine, even if we would see any sort of a shakeout on our way. So please keep this in mind. Now if the trend of Bitcoin is going to continue this rally, how is it going to look? Let me show you with this simple example here. And also guys, let me make you aware, we have around $4,700 bonus available for our community members from BYBIT and Phemex. If you like to trade Bitcoin, then feel free to use this BYBIT referral, which is giving around $3,500 bonus to our community member. And if you like to trade altcoin, then you can use this Phemex referral, which is giving around $1,200 bonus. So this is a great opportunity. Try grabbing it. So now let's switch into other chart. So guys, now if we look at this price action on Bitcoin, you are aware we did talk about this scenario on my yesterday video, because we were aware with each and every price consolidation or even this pullback type of scenario, what happened in most of the cases, price of Bitcoin always form this dead cat bounce type of scenario, right? Getting rejection around this 0.61 to 0.5 Fibonacci line, and then getting this price pullback. This price pullback formed a really nice descending channel breakout and also bull flag breakout type of scenario. And in our case yesterday, we said, hey, this was also pretty similar. It did look like a dead cat bounce scenario where the price got rejection from this 0.618 to 0.5 Fibonacci line, as you can see here, right? And then we saw this pullback. And in our case, exactly like what we talked on my yesterday's video, guys, we are also finding support at this lower line area, just like here from the past Bitcoin price action. So if we do find a proper support above this 58,000 range and price is going to see some more consolidation, maybe we could see some sort of a price movement here in this manner. I mean, a range bound type of scenario, price still staying above 58,000 and breaking this upper line area of this descending channel or bull flag, and then continue this rally here to the upper direction, because we are aware if we do fail to find support around this 58,000 range, right, and also fail to find support from this monthly R2 line lying around 58,000 range, the Fibonacci line of 0.786 also lying at 58,000 range, along with this 20 exponential and Williams alligator indicator, as you can see, extremely strong support around 58,000. If that is going to fail, then we are going to look at this fractal here from past Bitcoin price action, which is indicating if the 58,000 support is going to get broken, right, then we could be testing this 52 to 53,000 price range here in the upcoming days for Bitcoin. So that's why, guys, as long as we are going to stay above this 58,000, any sort of a shakeout on our way should be absolutely fine for us. And now let me also show you this one very interesting scenario that could be unfolding right now here with Bitcoin price action. And also, guys, I would really appreciate if you could take just 2 seconds of your time and destroy that like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the bell. So guys, now if we look at this price action in a bit different way, I am going to show you one very interesting scenario that might be playing out here in the medium short term for Bitcoin. Because if you look at this price structure here in a bit different way, guys, you can see right now we could be forming this falling wedge type of scenario, and falling wedge is a bullish scenario, guys. Why? Because you can see price of Bitcoin was always forming this falling wedge type of scenario before breaking here to the upward direction. You can see here, right, really nice breakout here to the upside. Similarly, we had another falling wedge type of breakout here. Alright, so you can see as soon as we broke out of this upper line area, we started this new rally. So that's why I'm showing you this one scenario that could still be playing out here in the immediate short term for Bitcoin. I mean, if we do see any sort of a rejection, price consolidating and staying above this 58,000, that should be absolutely fine. Because if we do see a breakout here in this manner, let's switch this into 4-hour time frame, right? You can see here, if we do see a breakout from this upper line area of this falling wedge, then that will also trigger another movement here to the upper direction, continue this rally just like here as shown in an example, guys. So these are some of the scenario I thought sharing with you in today's episode. If this is exactly what you wanted to see, then come on, hit the like button. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, come on guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell. By saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye bye, guys.